Hey guys, welcome back. Today we have something a little different for you. This is a Kawasaki Mule 610. We got a little carburetor issue, so we're gonna go ahead, pull that out, and I'll show you guys how to do that. So let's get started. I already went ahead and took these out. There's worm gear clamps, that is, right here on both sides. So what you're gonna do is first pull those out, and then there's a cover down here. There is 6 clips total. So take those out and then you'll be right here on the next step. So once you got that, we're gonna go ahead and take this worm gear clamp out. This one right here. So over here you got this long line here. In order to take that out, we got to come over here and we will be taking this cover off. And then both of these are 8 mils. I already went ahead and loosened them. Go ahead and lift that out. And then what you're gonna do is push on that. There we go. And then it just simply lifts up like that. You will move it towards the top. Let me go show you over here. So you grab it, move it towards the top, and it should simply come out like that. Now you'll grab a 10mm wrench, and right here you're gonna loosen that nut right there. Just like that. This will kind of lift up, and then you will push this, and then this should be able to free up. Come on, there we go, got that out. So after that you will have this line, and I already loosened it up. There's just a clamp right here, and then you have this small bolt on top. Then again, I loosened it up already. Take that, and then there's one on the side. God, this thing is hard to do. I'm trying to do this one-handed, guys, so anyway, there's the bracket, and then you'll loosen this nut right here. Careful, there's a washer, guys. And it fell. On bottom of the carb, you will see the fuel line that goes right here. Go ahead and pull that out. God, this thing is not focusing. There we go. This one. There might be some fuel. Might want to grab a little bucket to put under. So while you have that dripping down, you can go ahead and pull this out. Okay, and there's your carburetor. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this apart. There will be fuel in here. Another thing you could have done too is drain out the fuel from here, and it should come down through there. But since we already got it out, let's go ahead and loosen that. That's a 12 mil. You can see there's some nasty fuel still in there. Let's go ahead and drip that down. And then right here, this is going to be a little hard. So to remove the float, we're going to go ahead and grab some pliers and just kind of twist this until you got it out. Okay, should come out like that, and that exposes this part. So I'm not gonna pull this all the way out. Doesn't look like it wants to come out anyway. Yep. So anyway, we're gonna go ahead and grab our flathead to remove that jet. Flathead. Oh, That was easy. They usually don't come out that easy. There it is. As far as that other jet that goes in here, I could not get it out. Maybe some of you guys in the comments can let me know if that even comes out. There's this screw right here that reveals another jet. There we go. And then let's go to the next step. So once you have your gaskets off, your jets out, I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the solution tank here, my ultrasonic cleaner, and we'll go from there. Put that jet in there too. So a lot of you guys, or some of you guys, won't have access to this, but I'll show you guys how to clean them out either way. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna give this some time, say about 30 minutes, and I'll get back to you. All right, once you get your stuff out, your carburetor, or if you didn't have an ultrasonic cleaner, here's the next step. You have these little cleaning needles, I guess you can call it. What you're gonna do is you're gonna grab some carb cleaner and you're gonna kind of go through each opening of every jet that you might have. I really don't want to do this on camera. I'm afraid I'm gonna get carb cleaner on the lens, so just bear with me right here. So anyway, you'll be sticking it down there as you spray. But yeah, just go ahead and clear it all out. All right, once you got your stuff cleaned, we're gonna go ahead and put everything back in. So let's start out with this guy. So we'll just screw it back in. Once you got that going, let's grab the small screw that went on the top of the carburetor right there. Put that through. Remember guys, don't over tighten these. Now at the top of the carburetor, we're gonna put that float back. That's basically how that goes. Align it towards the bottom of it. And then we're gonna do our best to push this down. So I'm gonna grab the top of that, start kind of moving it, working our way down with it. There we go. Make sure you align it. Come on, guy. Okay. And give it a little tap. Use a hammer. It's going through. Should grab on well. As long as we can close it, yep, we're good. God, I just wish it was in a little bit more. Now once you got that down, we're gonna grab our seal here. And we're gonna put it all the way around. Once you got your seal all flat, go ahead and put this on. Just like this. And we will put our screw through it. And then go ahead and tighten it down. And now we should be able to put it back in. So before I put that back on, I went ahead and changed out the fuel filter. Well, there goes that. Anyway, here's your part number. And it's pretty simple. You just lift up this, and there's just 2 clamps. And that's basically all you do. Once you got it, simply gonna just slide through, just like that. And it is recommended you change the gaskets. I'm gonna go ahead and reuse them. Once you got your carb in, that piece. And then we are going to put our nut right here to hold it in. Ah, come on. There we go. That holds it in. Now we got our bracket. If you remember, that goes on top and loops to the bottom. So this is how the bracket should go. Oh, this autofocus isn't cooperating well. Okay, so that bracket should go like that. See if I can get a better angle. After you have that, go ahead and put your fuel line back on. God, that's so hard to see. And then go ahead and grab that cable. Come on, focus. There we go. Go ahead and push that through. And then tighten that nut up. Go ahead and push this top hose back through. Put the clamp back on. Now we're going to grab this lever here. We're going to push through the top. Come on. Push through. Just like that. Up and over. You are going to come over here. And then make sure this clip is facing this way. Push down and then clip it back on, just like that. Now you can put this cover back. Once you got that bracket on, or that cover, we're gonna go ahead and put this hose back on. And then go ahead and tighten it. And then you're gonna go ahead and start it. I can't start this one right now. I don't have a battery. So I'm gonna cut the video here. And all right, guys, if this video helped you out, go ahead, give me a thumbs up, share, like, subscribe, do all that fun stuff. We'll see you next time.